Introducing Bulk Upload, a new feature in Tekmetric. Let's walk through how it works. To get started, you will need to download the Bulk Upload template. This is important as vendors and price matrices are specific to each template. When you open the file, you'll first see a set of guidelines. Give these a quick review. They explain how to add parts and what might prevent the data in your sheet from uploading. To begin entering parts, click on the Add Parts Here tab. Here's a quick walkthrough of what you'll see. Part type is where you select whether you're adding a part, tire, or battery. If you're adding a part or battery, focus on the gray shaded columns. They highlight the fields that apply to those types, including the ones that are required. If you're adding a tire, complete the gray fields that apply, like brand, unit cost, retail price, and quantity in stock. Then fill out the tire-specific fields to the right. Let's go ahead and add part data to our template. We are going to add 200 parts to the spreadsheet. Once everything is added, save the file in .xlsx format and return to Tekmetric. Back on the bulk upload screen, select your file or drag and drop it into the upload area. Tekmetric will begin checking your file for required fields, character limits, and unit limits. If any errors are found, you will be informed of how many rows have issues. Download the error file to review and fix the errors. When you open it, look for the Errors Found column. Each row with an issue will show which column is causing the error and why. Make your changes. Save the file and return to Tekmetric to re-upload. Upload the updated file as is. There's no need to remove the Errors Found column. Tekmetric will run the checks again. If no errors are found, you'll see a confirmation showing how many parts are ready to be added to your inventory. Please note, if parts included in your upload already exist in your inventory, duplicate parts will be created. When you're ready, click Add Parts to Inventory. Your parts will begin importing. Depending on how many rows are in your file, this can take up to a minute. Once the import is complete, an on-screen confirmation will be displayed. From here, you can return to your inventory to review or manage the newly added parts. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the bulk upload feature, and thank you for using Tekmetric.